Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Hey, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Spirit E-310 and the Q2800N Plus. Both propane, but they seem pretty different. What do you think?
Yeah, I took a look too. The Spirit E-310 is definitely the classic larger grill. It's got 3 burners and a cooking surface of 360 square inches. It is a bit cheaper at $449.99.
Okay, so more space. The Q2800N Plus is $499, so a bit pricier. What about the size?
The Q2800N Plus is smaller, 3.2E plus 2 square inches or 320 square inches. But it does have that plus burner, which is interesting. It lets you really crank up the heat for searing or keep it low for roasting.
So more versatile heat control. The Spirit just has the standard 3 burners, right? No special searing zone?
Exactly. The Spirit E-310 focuses on even heat across the whole cooking surface. It uses flavorizer bars to vaporize drippings, which is nice for flavor and preventing flare-ups.
Good point. And the grates? Are they the same?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, so they'll both retain heat well for searing. The Q2800N Plus also has a high dome lid, which is nice for cooking larger items.
What about size and storage?
The Spirit E-310 is bigger overall, with a cabinet for storing the propane tank and accessories. The Q2800N Plus is more compact, and the side tables can be detached for easier storage.
So the Spirit is better if you need a larger cooking area and storage, while the Q is more about portability and that extra burner.
Precisely. The Q2800N Plus also has the option to add a griddle insert, which is cool. And it has built-in mounting to use a Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub to remotely monitor your grill temperature.
Right, I saw that. The Spirit doesn't have that, but it does have WeberWorks side rails for snap-on accessories. So it depends on what extras I'm interested in.
Ultimately, it depends on your grilling style. If you do a lot of high-heat searing or want that option, the Q2800N Plus is the way to go. If you want a bigger, simpler grill with more storage, the Spirit E-310 is solid.
Makes sense. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.